In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your private key on MetaMask while using a desktop. Before we dive in, ensure you're using the Google Chrome browser with the MetaMask extension already installed. With that all set, let's begin by opening up the MetaMask extension. First things first, locate the MetaMask Fox icon in your browser's toolbar, typically up there in the top right corner. Click on that charming little fox, and you'll see the MetaMask extension's pop-up window appear. Here, you'll find your current account balance and the account that's currently active. Make sure you're looking at the correct account, because if you manage several accounts within MetaMask, you'll only want the private key for the one you're focused on right now. Look right up at the center where your account name is displayed. If you see that it's not the one you need, simply click the down arrow next to the account name. This will open up a drop-down, allowing you to select the appropriate account. Once you've got the right one, the MetaMask window should reflect the details for that selected account. Next up, let's access the account options. Most of the time, to the right of your account name, or sometimes just below it, you'll notice a small icon with 3 vertical dots. Clicking these dots will open a handy little menu that contains specific actions related to your account. Once that menu is showing, look for and click on the Account Details option. By doing this, you'll be taken to a new window or screen within MetaMask titled Account Details, which includes your public address among other information. Now, we're moving on to revealing your private key. Within the Account Details window, keep an eye out for a button that says Show Private Key. Click on that button, and typically a security warning might pop up, followed by a prompt requesting your password. You're nearly there. Just enter your MetaMask password into the designated text field and hit the Confirm button. Once you've confirmed, you'll notice the password prompt disappears, replaced by a new screen with a button labeled Hold to Reveal Private Key. To display your private key, click and hold down that button. While holding, you'll see your private key appear as a lengthy series of seemingly random letters and numbers. Finally, the last, yet critical step involves securing your private key. After your private key becomes visible, you'll want to click the Copy to Clipboard button. It often looks like an icon of 2 overlapping squares. Remember, this private key is your key to the kingdom, granting full access to your funds. Handle it with utmost care. You should immediately store this key in a highly secure offline location, such as a hardware wallet or a locked document. Never share this key with anyone, and avoid keeping it as plain text on your computer or in the cloud to prevent unauthorized access. With those steps completed, you've successfully found and securely stored your private key on MetaMask.